Today we're going all the way to Nigeria and we are going to be making chin-chin, which is a very popular bite-sized fried pastry. It's also very popular throughout West Africa, so you don't want to miss out trying this amazing snack recipe. You can serve the chin-chin as an appetizer for your guests and everyone will be very happy. So to get started, you're going to need a mixing bowl. So I'm going to add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, sugar, nutmeg, baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Using a whisk, you're going to whisk in the ingredients until fully combined. Once done, it's time for the wet ingredients. So I'm going to place aside, and over here I have half a cup of milk. I'm going to crack in 1 egg. Using a whisk, I'm going to whisk in the egg into the milk until fully combined. Next, you're going to pick your dry ingredients and add in some cold butter. Using your fingertips, you're going to rub in the butter in the all-purpose flour until it resembles little clumps of flour. Once done, I'm going to be adding in my wet ingredients. Using your hands, you're going to mix in the wet ingredients together with the dry ingredients until a dough forms. Nutmeg adds a very nice nutty flavor to your chin-chin, so don't skip on the nutmeg. You can transfer to your countertop and continue kneading for around a minute until a dough is formed. This is a very easy recipe with minimal ingredients, and I know you're going to love the outcome. This is after 1 minute. And the dough is looking very nice. At this point, you're going to move over to your stove top and place a pan with cooking oil ready for frying our chin-chin. So I'm going to sprinkle in some all-purpose flour to my countertop, just a little bit. And using a rolling pin, I'm going to roll out my dough. You're going to make vertical and horizontal movements until the dough is evenly flattened. Once done, you're going to use a pizza cutter or a knife to cut the dough into bite-sized pieces. Once done, you're going to cut your dough horizontally. Always when deep frying, make sure to insert a skewer or a wooden spatula to check if the oil is hot before adding in the dough. I'm going to carefully transfer my little pieces of dough in the cooking oil and fry until the outside has a very nice golden brown color. Use your skimmer and flip the chin-chin as they cook. I can tell this is going to be very delicious because the aroma in the kitchen is just fantastic. Shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Next, you're going to place in the dough in a skimmer. This is going to help you place the chin-chin in the cooking oil. And slowly lower in the dough in the cooking oil. When you place in the little pieces of dough in the cooking oil, you're going to wait for around 30 seconds. Then using a skimmer, you're going to flip as the chin-chin cooks. My second round is ready and I love the golden brown color on top. Just look at my chin-chin. So I'm going to shake off the excess oil and transfer to the rest where I've placed a paper towel so that the chin-chin can drain the excess oil. Lovely. Place in my next round. These little bite-sized pieces of dough cook very fast, so always watch the chin-chin as it cooks. Also make sure that the temperature of the cooking oil is not too hot because the chin-chin are going to cook on the outside and the inside is not going to be cooked. My chin-chin is ready and it's looking fantastic and amazing. I love the golden brown color on my chin-chin and the inside is also cooked to perfection. The best thing about my job is that I'm always the first to have a bite. So I'm going to taste one. So good. Once you bite into the chin-chin, it has a very nice nutty taste from the nutmeg, and also it has a very nice crumbly texture on the inside. So this is totally worth it, and I hope you'll be trying out this amazing Nigerian chin-chin recipe.